Hi guys, it's Blair. Tonight I'm going to demonstrate a cobbler in our microwave pressure cooker. So what you're going to need for this dessert is you're going to need the yellow cake mix, 2 cans of your pie filler, and this can be anything from your apple, cherry, peach, whatever you prefer in yours. You're going to need our can opener, a tablespoon measure, you're going to need our Power Chef, and of course the microwave or pressure cooker. And you're going to need some butter, of course. Okay guys, let's get started. What we're going to do, oh, if I can get it open. Alright, so what we got to do first is we got to open our cans. And like I said, this can be anything from peach, apple. I do suggest if you use apple though, use a little bit of a cinnamon seasoning, I guess I should say. So if you're using the apple, make sure you add maybe a teaspoon or so of the cinnamon seasoning, just to give it a little bit more flavor. Cherry you don't have to, peach you don't have to. We've just found that it's a little bit better if you use a little bit of an extra seasoning for the apple. So what you'll do is you'll put your 2 cans of your pie filler in here. And I'm doing this while I'm finishing up supper because this will only take about 14 minutes for it to make in the microwave, which is amazing. So once you got your pie fillers in, you're going to do half the cake mix and half of the butter. The entire recipe calls for 6 tablespoons of butter, so you'll do half and half. And what I've found, since I'm going to melt some butter, I'm going to put it in a glass cup. So because our Tupperwares, the ones that I have anyway, isn't microwave safe. So I'm just going to do 8 or 6 tablespoons. And we're going to put this in the microwave for a little bit. When I say a little bit, I'm going to do, let's do 15. So we'll wait 15 seconds and we'll pull it out. So the reason why I'm doing this is because one of the teammates posted this and it looks delicious. So before I offer it at my parties, of course, I want to give it a try to make sure it's going to taste right. Alright, so that should be melted enough. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put half and half. So we're going to do half of the cake mix in here. And half of the butter. I'm going to stir it up. And then we'll finish it with the rest of the stuff. Make sure you're getting it all good. And we might need a little bit more butter. I'm bad with not measuring things to be exact. So I'm going to do 2 more tablespoons. And we'll do it another 15 seconds because that seemed to work out right. I don't need that, sis. Thank you. You don't need to. We do have the tablespoons, but I failed to use them. So we'll wait. Can you shoot the thing in there? You see it?
A little.
That should be okay. So we'll do the rest of this in here with the rest of the cake mix. This recipe is one of the simpler ones I have seen yet. So what we're going to do is we're just going to blend it up again. Blend it up real good.